Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to wish everybody a good morning Saturday from our first good snowfall in 2 years. Some people love it, some people hate it, but I think the amount of snow we got wasn't too bad. They said it could have been 3 times as worse if a certain atmosphere would have hit a certain atmosphere. So I think this is pretty good for us right here. Just enough to let the kids and people who work in the school system, like my wife, on a Friday have a Friday off. So it worked out real good for everybody. So everybody out there, check on your elderly, people who can't do for themselves, make sure their cars and they can get out just in case of an emergency. Just check up on people. But other than that, God bless you all. Be careful if you go out there. Don't drive like you're crazy. If you see black top, don't assume it's water and it's wet. Assume that it could be ice. So just be very careful out there. Okay? All right, God bless you all. This is your man, Mike Hurt. Peace.